are the three little pigs. They want houses of their own. The first little pig builds a house made of straw. The second builds a house made of sticks. And the third little pig builds a house made of bricks. A hungry wolf sees the pig in his house made of straw. "Little pig, let me come in," says the wolf.
"Not by the hair on my chinny chin chin,"
squeals the little pig. "I'll huff and puff and blow your house in," cries the wolf. He huffs and puffs and blows down the house made of straw. The wolf chases the pig to the house made of sticks. "Little pigs, let me come in."
"Not by the hairs on our chinny chin chins."
"I will huff and puff and blow your house in." So the wolf huffs and puffs and blows down the house made of sticks. The wolf chases the pigs to the house made of bricks. "Little pigs, let me come in."
"Not by the hairs on our chinny chin chins."
The wolf huffs and puffs, but the bricks are too strong. The wolf jumps down the chimney. The third little pig quickly lights a big fire. The hot flames burn the wolf's behind. He runs away, howling never to return. As for the three little pigs, they live happily ever after.